Machine-powered programming. Check Toolpath for machine collisions. NX machine-powered programming has been extended furthermore of performing collision checking for machine components during toolpath creation. Check Toolpath contains now a machine collision option that enables the user checking the toolpath for collision of machine components besides the known checks such as gouge check or collision check against part or IPW. Collision findings related to machine components are listed in the Toolpath report. Within the Toolpath records, the user can interact with the individual findings. Collided machine components are highlighted in graphics. In combination with Display Tool and Machine, the user gets immediately a realistic representation of the entire collision scene. To be able to perform machine collision detection, it is mandatory that the machine and its components are defined within the Specify Collision Pair option. As before, the collision pairs can be defined inside the machine kinematics within the Machine Tool Builder application. When the machine is loaded and used in a CAM setup, the predefined pair definition is applied. The new Specify Collision Pairs option is now easier accessible in the Machine tab of the NX ribbon, allowing the user to modify, if necessary, the collision pairs for the individual setup.